Okay, this is another example just to give you an idea how you can go about solving for the how can you get the transfer function here. Okay, and as we said, our transfer function is gonna be ht. We need to get ht, so it's gonna be v1 over vo of t. It's gonna be the input over there, so it's gonna be the output over the input. Let me just correct it here. Okay, so you need to find for the transfer function. Okay, it's gonna be something like this. So then just get in. So we know we have loop 1, and here loop 2. Okay, and the equation will be for loop 1, the sum of the voltage across equal to the sum of the voltage within the circuit. This is when you apply the Kirchhoff law. So you're going to have to add all this voltage. So it's gonna be V1 of t, it's gonna be VRT plus VN. Okay, so it's gonna be VN of t plus VC of t. That is what you're gonna get on loop 1. And loop 2, since they are in parallel, it's gonna be VOT equal to VC T. Okay, this is what you're gonna get. And if you want further on to replace a value, you can. So I'm going just to write them here, but anyway, we just need the transfer function, but I'm going just to write what we can get inside since it's loop 1, it's gonna be subscript 1 t times r for VR, and then for VL it's gonna be L d I 1, okay, over dt plus 1 over LC. Sorry, it's gonna be 1 over S integral from 0 to 1 t dt. This is what we're gonna get into the capacitor voltage. And then for V out, since it's on, we're working with the second loop, it's gonna be 1 over C integral from 0 to 1 to t dt. So this is what you're gonna get if you have to write it into times domain. Okay, but and then later on you can get a question where you are asked to solve for the current, so you just need to convert into times domain and then solve for the unknown. So my question here is just to give you an idea of how you can get down the equation, okay, that you need. And if you're looking for V out, okay, if you're looking for the transfer function, it's gonna be something V O of t over V1 t. So it's gonna be and VO it's VC t, and then for VR I get something like this. Okay, this is what you get for your transfer function. And then if you don't want to if your question asks you to solve other part, and I know that once you get your transfer function, okay, you do have also another possibility. If the question is asked, you are asked to solve for the current, then you're gonna have to play around. Okay, so then we can get the current out of this equation. This is gonna be for another question. For now, I'm just trying to give you an idea of how you can break it down, how you can get this two equation. Okay, just to give you an idea.